Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how Kladana manufacturing works with subcontractors and how you can set them up. In this video, we will show you how you can track subcontractors' work in Kladana, how to assign a subcontractor for the production operation, how costs of the production will be calculated for production orders with subcontractors, how to keep track of receiving the subcontracting work for future settlements. In Kladana, the manufacturing process is a sequence of production operations. For example, we are a small garment manufacturing company, and this is a list of our production operations. Most of them we do internally, but dyeing we outsource. If you outsource the manufacturing process, you can add a counterparty as a performer. Then you should add a service which is provided by the subcontractor. This is necessary to create the receiving for the service. It will appear only in receiving transactions. You can create a service directly here or choose from the existing services. As you can see, you can add one or several subcontractors. Don't forget to click Save. Then in production order during the manufacturing process, you can track the progress of each operation. You can choose a subcontractor in process tracking of the outsourcing process. Once you receive the service, you can complete the operation. You can create receiving transactions directly from the production order to track your settlements with subcontractors. To do so, you should click on Add Lid button and choose the service supply. After that, receiving will be automatically created. Let's check in the receiving. We got the receiving from the company, Color Inc. The service price comes from the column labor cost in the production order. It can be calculated based on production volume or manufacturing time or standard hours. In the receiving, we can check which production order is related. Let's jump to the production order. If we outsource some processes, the cost of production will be calculated the same way as we do everything internally. Subcontracted costs was taken into the account and labor cost. A useful tools that we suggest using to track the subcontracted process: always allocate order to the committed stock so that the raw materials won't be used in other transactions. If you want to track stock on the counterparty side, you can always create a separate warehouse for it and add it as a warehouse for raw materials in operations. You can also create statuses for production operations and subcontracting manufacturing, as one of the statuses to see which orders are now done by the subcontractors. To track settlements with subcontractors, check the statement of accounts and financials. That is it about subcontracting processes in Kladana. You can find more videos about the production on our YouTube channel or help center. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.